Okay guys, welcome to the tutorial, and in this tutorial this is going to be a very beautiful or a really awesome tutorial that you have seen, because in this tutorial we're going to create servers, how to work out with servers. So for that, in the past video we had used these two modules for that, and I'm going to use the same functionality of modules, and with the help of these modules I'm going to create a HTTP server, and we're going to run that server in the browser. So without having any further delay, let's dig into it. So initially we're having this function over here, and I'm gonna remove everything whatever it is. And so I'm gonna for creating a server, I need to mention or include a module, a built-in module. So that module is HTTP. So it is a built-in module that had been that we can obtain, or we can get it from the Node.js library. So this is the HTTP module that had included, and after that, including, we're gonna use this function. So in this function I'm gonna create a port value. So I'm gonna create a port, and I'm gonna mention the port to be 333. So you can use any port that you want. You can use 4000, 3003, as well as you wish. So it is running on the port 333. So after that you need to start the server. So for starting the server you need to give a simple message before starting a server to the user, so that your server is going to start now. And after that I'm gonna create server here. For coding you need to mention HTTP instead of that dot. So here the create server, and you're gonna mention what the function need to be executed whenever the server had been created. So I'm gonna execute the server function that I will create now. So I will say that to listen on port. So what is the port value? So it is the port value that we had mentioned previously. So it is 333. So it will work, or it will listen the traffic at the port value 333. So after that we're gonna give a simple message that server started. So it will start the server up to here. So after that, starting the server, we need to execute this server function which you have mentioned here, and make sure that you are not with the branches over here. Just leave it as it is. So I'm gonna start a function of name server over here, and not the capital S, it is small s, and we need to pass two arguments by default. It is request, initially, and response. So these are the request and the response, where the request is what we are getting from the user, and the response is what we are providing to the user with the help of the server. So we are passing in information in the way of via response. So response dot right head, we need to give the status code for that. That is 202, not 200. 200 whatever means that everything is okay, and we are going to pass the information that whatever you want, or whatever the information we are having. So we need to give what is the type of the information that we are going to pass, and we are going to pass content of type, and it is of type, what is the type? Text. We're going to pass text, plain text. I am plain, yep, this is right. So we're going to pass a plain text over here, and we're going to write on the web page, this is how server works. So this will be printed on the browser window. So we're gonna end it up to here, so it will stop working here. So whenever anyone open the server, it is better to get information to the admin that someone had opened your server. So for that, in this function you can write console.log, and you can write someone had entered into your server. So that's it, and save this file. I hope everything is okay. Yep, okay. So go here and start the server. Node app.js server. Your server is going to start now. Server started, and you just go to the browser and create a new window. Just type localhost double dot So just type localhost 333 over here, so that your port is our port is running on 333 over here. You can see. So hit enter, and you can see this is how server works message, and that had been came from this function. Yep, this is how the server started. Server works. So you had opened the server. So it is better. What we had discussed is it is better to get a message that someone had opened your server. So you will get someone had entered your server. So why is predict 2 times? It is really because whenever a browser or a HTTP server loads, it's gonna do two things. Initially, it will check for the information that what you need to pass in the browser window. Means in this place, what do you need to pass the information or the stuff like that, HTTP or a HTTP file or CSS file like that, and it will work for that one time. So it will show someone had entered in a server for the very first time now, and later that it will check for any image on the local host, for this local host. If there is any image, then it's going to display. If it is not there, then it's just by default it will show a document file like that. So that's why it's going to show this for the second time. So that's why it's going to print it 2 times. If I just for simplicity, if I go here, refresh one more time, it's going to print more times, 3 times, 4 times. Yep, that's how. Whenever anyone had opened the server, you can get information over there who had opened the server, and that's how you can start a server with the help of Node.js. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will meet you guys in the next video.